Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new chef-based refrigerators. Okay, this is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot, all stainless steel unit, very good quality. For this unit, as you can see, it is 2 drawers. Okay, so 2 drawers for this unit. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the measurements for this unit. Starting with the length, we're looking at 52 inches, 52. Front to back, 32 inches. And the overall height, we are looking at a total of 26 inches of the height. Okay, so those are your measurements for this Jeff base. As we mentioned, you have 2 drawers that are refrigerated. You can go ahead and just slide open and slide back to close. Okay, they are refrigerated. Also on the front, we have our temperature controller. This is where you can set your temperature for the unit. Temperature will also be displayed once the unit is on and running. You also have a switch right here on the front, and you also have casters that will be included for this Jeff base, so it makes it easier for use. Now I want to go ahead and turn this unit around and show you the back. And on the back, we will be able to locate our plug. It is a standard US plug. For this item, you also have a sticker on the back where you will be able to find specs, circuit diagram, and certifications for this exact Jeff base. Okay guys, so that's going to be a little demonstration on the back and an overall demonstration for this 52-inch Jeff base refrigerator. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.